Pete Gustis here, looking at 68 Beckers Grove in Oley. Give me a call if you're interested, 610-209-9219. This property seems pretty nice. It says that it's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. 1,200 square foot with an addition. It looks like potentially 2 additions. Private driveway, kind of secluded. I believe, well, let's check out the outside first, and then we can go into what I believe. Looks like architectural shingle roof. This roof looks like it could be cleaned off a little bit. Probably just debris from trees, but still should be cleaned. Okay, more than likely a well or septic. Looks like they got parking here. Looks like concrete. Nice job on the concrete here. Seems pretty peaceful. Gotta check out the backyard to see what I can see. Looks like they have some walking trails they noted. Little campfire set up. Here's the view from this side. It's the view from the back of the house. So that would be the main home. And then the additional structure, and it looks like a garage. So it's pretty unique to have a stilted structure. Outside exterior hose bib. Okay, looks like they adjusted the steps because of the addition. Okay, that seems locked. Might be able to get access to those to see. Jesus, door. Pulling pretty hard. It doesn't want to go. I'm not exactly sure why. But it is not locked. Window AC for the accessory structure. So more walking trails. This looks like it needs a little work here. Looks like it may have been a storage for wood or something. Ah, outhouse. This must be an old place, but it does have an outhouse. Here's a view from this side. Okay, concrete floor garage, kind of nice. But the drive-in looks like you'll have to go underneath to get there. So it looks like they're using this for motorcycles and stuff rather than cars. I'll look at the drive-in. It does have some overhead storage from the other side. So yeah, here's where you'd be driving in, I guess. I guess it would be tough to get a car now that they put the stilts in. It looks like you might be able to squeeze in, but I don't know the exact dimensions. That might be 10-foot spacing. 8 to 10-foot spacing, I would think. So, I mean, if you really wanted to, you could probably squeeze a car in, but you'd be going through the grass. I don't know how convenient that would be. Let's check the accessory structure out, then we'll move on to the home. Okay, so this does look like a laminate flooring. Does not look like LPV. Looks like rolled vinyl or something, excuse me. Double pane windows, TV. So I guess this is a nice accessory structure. They have heat here, air conditioning. It's electric heat. And I guess they have this set up as a playroom for kids. So I guess there could be a lot of uses for this. Vaulted ceiling. Okay, interesting. Oh, looks like a couple little holes in the corrugated roof. Could be from hail. A little bit of cleanup. All in all, the outside looks okay. Looks like that some patching could be done on there. It's probably standard type of stuff. Gutter cleaning. Looks like the gutters came down. Should be fixed also. So yeah, moss on roofs is never good. Probably from all the shade. Definitely got to clean that up. And you got benches here. Here's the view of this side. So you can see through the trees, the neighbors. Of course, there's a neighbor across the street. Check the inside out shortly. Okay, walking into the front. The front door walks into the living room. Looks like you have laminate floors. There's a slight gap there. They don't look like LPV, just standard laminate. You have to watch a little bit when cleaning. So it's a concrete, looks like concrete. And then on top is wood. You can see this right here. Not a total standard design, but works. Electric heat, double pane windows. Okay, this looks like a wood burning stove. And your kitchen, little breakfast bar. Carpets look fairly nice. So this is a galley style kitchen, straight little row here. Decorative ceiling, drop ceiling, electric burners. It's old kitchen. Seems pretty functional. Plywood boards. It looks like homemade. It almost looks like a cabin or something. Probably was at one time if it had a outhouse. This walks out to the side where we started the tour. Tile floor bathroom. Looks like Korean. I don't know, that is marble or granite. So they have an old cabinet. Oh, shower stall with a light. Okay. One bedroom. Okay, talk about efficient. So you got a cabinet here, or excuse me, closet with a light, and you have your laundry room in the bedroom. Second bedroom. These bedrooms are kind of small. You may want to keep that in mind because you're looking at, this is a full-size bed, and it's about twice the width of the full-size bed. So and okay, this is, looks like it's built on a slab, I believe, because okay, this is a third bedroom, and this is a, looks like a queen size bed. Maybe it's a king, but you can see the room here is just big enough for a bed. So they got a bed and just some clothes up here. That's it. Literally, this is the top part of the house that we were looking at. So here's a view from the other side. Not much room in here. Okay. Okay, so this is a tour 68 Beckers Grove in Oley. Give me a call, 610-209-9219. 610-209-9219. Look forward to hearing from you soon.